Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for being here. Today I'm starting a new adventure, and yes, as you can see, I'm on a motorcycle now. I'll tell you more about that later. To start things off, my helmet GoPro isn't recording for some reason, but I'll figure that out later. Anyway, you are probably wondering where I'm heading. Well, I'm super excited because I'm going to Morocco. Right now, I'm in Tarifa, Spain, trying to sort out the ferry to Tangier. I just came out of the FRS ticket shop. Their ferry is later this afternoon, but they said AML might be sooner, and I can get tickets inside the port. So let's go check that out now. I don't even know if I'm allowed to go or not. This is the aduana, I think. I don't know. Should I stop? Should I go? Sir. Nope. Should I wait? Should I go? I'm lost. I don't know what to do. Oh, hello. Can you see me? I don't know what to do. Sir, I'm here. Should I go? Should I stay? No one here to answer me. Okay, I guess I can go. Now what? Another stop. Todos los pasaportes. Todos los pasaportes. Woo! Hello. What do you need? Can I go? Passport. Woo! Okay. Passport again. Opa, opa. Here you go. Oh, the helmet? Okay. All good? Thank you. Okay. Let's go again. Okay, let's go. I hate to make people wait. I don't know if it's there or there. Maybe it's here. I think it's here. Where should I go? Okay. Hello.
Hello, sir.
What?
Tickets, please.
Ticket.
Mr. Simon.
Yes. Thank you.
So much.
Can I put? No need more. I don't need more. This. Can I save?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa! It's windy.
GoPro is working or not?
Yes. You wanna say hello?
Yeah. Hello,
This
guys.
one. Hello.
Have a good trip.
Thank you. Nice people. I enjoy nice people. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, now what? Whoa, this wind is crazy. Woo. Okay. Oh, opa. There? All the way?
28 al futuro, 28 a otro lado.
¿A otro lado? ¿No medio o do otro?
No, al futuro, al futuro. Un compañero está aquí.
Okay, okay. Thank you. I said this body was here, but it's not. I think it's this way. Ah, that way. Oh, okay. More here. Here. Okay. Okay. Now I have to get out. It's not easy. Oh, let's see. Oh, I got it. Got it. I don't even know if this is. I have everything. Let me check. Last thing. Check everything. Okay, everything. Oh, sorry. I know my bike isn't easy to lock. I have the same problem with bikes. Yeah. I guess she will not go away from here. It's locked. All good? Okay. Okay, let's go and have a seat. Okay, time to go. I'll not put my gloves on because I think I have to take care of some papers outside. So I really need to train my elasticity because it's so difficult for me to get up on the bike and get off. Okay. I think it's all good. Okay. Let's go. It's hot. Opa. Right or left? Left. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Thank you. Ooh. There's the Mediterranean Sea. So I have to show the passport there. Just for you to know, I had to fill up a paper inside and stamp the passport by the Moroccan police inside of the boat. And now I think I have to show them that it's stamped. Yes. And then I have to do something about the motorcycle. it's a provisory import of the motorcycle, not sure. So we'll figure that out. I'll figure out that later. Okay, the weather is nice here, at least. But I want to go south because I think tomorrow it will rain here. If you believe it. But oh, this is slippery. This is slippery. Thank God it's not wet. It would be worse.
Open or close?
Closed?
Wait. It's closed?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you finish? You take the video, no problem.
Oh, okay.
Have a good ride.
Okay. So I think it's ready. So everything is closed. Everything is closed. Okay, I'm finally in Morocco. So a lot of first times here. It's my first time in Morocco, of course. My first time in the African continent. It's my first time riding a motorcycle so far away from home, so a lot of good first times. I hope everything will go smoothly. So far so good. So far so good. Yes. Okay, so I'm heading to Chefchaouen. Oh, there's an exchange thing, but I would like to go somewhere that I can go on a motorcycle. I want to exchange some money, so that's the first task. No, here. That's here. Okay. There was a man trying to exchange right outside the port, but well, I really don't like to do unofficial things, because sometimes it can go terribly wrong, and I don't want that. It's okay. So I'll change my mind and I'll come back. Okay, I have my money, dirhams. First thing you need to know about exchanging money, you should know what's the exchange rate before coming, because I didn't, so I don't know if I was ripped off or not. I just trust the guy. Really nice guy though. Okay, let's go to Chefchaouen. I changed to my summer gloves. I opened my jacket because it's kind of hot here. Well, it's not hot, must be like 20 degrees, but I came from 10 on the day. Okay, I had to figure out how they make the roundabouts. 10, and was a day that in the morning it was like 1 degree Celsius in Alentejo in Portugal, and even with my winter gear it was cold as hell. It was really cold. I had to stop at one point because my hands hurt so much. Okay, but now I'm here. Let's go! Okay, so one thing that I noticed right away is that there's a lot of construction here. I rode about 70 kilometers and all the roads are being either renovated or I don't know, or just from one lane to two lanes, or there was new roads already made. So I guess you'll have good roads to ride, but from the beginning of it, if you are looking for the single lane road experience, or maybe dirt roads, doesn't look to have to be, those roads don't look to be there for long. Anyway, another thing that I noticed is a lot of police blockades, lots of them. I passed in just this little bit, I passed through, I don't know, like 10, and you have to stop unless they say that you can go. So if you see a sign of police on the side of the road, you are supposed to stop. If they say that you can go without showing them anything, but you have to stop. Also, I think I saw a lot of people on the side of the road, I don't know, but one man showed like a little pouch that looked like weed, so I think there's a lot of people selling weed on the side of the road. Stay away from that kind of illegalities. Okay, I guess the road construction didn't arrive here. I don't even know what city this is. Wow, completely different look. Now that's the Marrakesh I was thinking of. Yes. Yeah, completely different from I think it was Tanger all the way. Maybe this is another city. I don't even know. I cannot see. My visor is all full of dead bugs. I have to wash it because it's messing with my vision. I don't know. There's a road, new road. Wait, did I stop here? That's funny. So that little bit doesn't deserve a new road. Okay. Yeah, let's see, new tarmac all the way. I don't know, maybe it's like this until Chefchaouen, I don't know. I have 20 kilometers or so to do, and it looks like it will be like this all the way. 2 lanes, brand new tarmac. That's nice. Okay. No more. Maybe it's just a little bit. I don't mind to ride these roads also. So. Okay, let's keep riding. Okay, I think there's a police blockade ahead. Some guy just made the sign with the headlights. I just wanted to show you how it looks. Maybe not. Maybe not. There's a just ahead, so probably they are there. Let's see. There's a lot of pottery selling also. Maybe for the traditional tangine, I think that's the name of the food. I want to try it later. Okay, let's see if there's anybody here. Oh, no, no one. No one. Oh, my butt hurts. Oh, I love this motorcycle, but it's not very comfortable. Not at all comfortable. Or these long stretches. I have to stop at least every 50 kilometers because it hurts so much. At least sometimes I have to stop more often than that. On top of being so discomfortable, it's the engine vibrates so much, and I can feel it, everything on my bottom, and I think that's probably why it's so discomfortable. Anyway, I'll have to endure this. Oh my god. I'll end this trip with the ass of that monkey with the red ass, big red ass, I don't know the name. Okay, so far so good. Nice roads, just a little bit less good so far. Everything's normal. Well, nothing to report. You can come here with any bike you have. Any. There was a cyclist over there, so you can cycle also. I had that experience. Yeah. Oh, okay. So now that we are talking, let me take the chance to explain why I bought this bike. Motorcycle. It's not a bicycle. Of course, you know that. I did my bike touring experience before. I enjoyed a lot. It's painful, it's hard, but it's slow pace. You get to see a lot around you. You get to talk to people a lot more, but it's so slow paced that I cannot do more than I already did, because I work, I have a job, a full-time job, and I just have some days off. They are limited, so if I go on a bicycle I will never get anywhere because it's slow. But I enjoyed it, and I can tell you now that I'll do a giveaway for my bicycle. I don't need it anymore. It's almost brand new. I just did that bike touring experience, and I rode a few more times around my house, so it's brand new. I'll give the bicycle and everything I have with it, the bags, I'll maybe keep one bag because it fits. Oh, I have to go left. I'll keep one bag because it fits the motorcycle, the top one. But everything else I'll give you, and I'll explain you how will this work later. So keep watching the video. Maybe on this one or the next one I'll tell you. And that's all for now. And later I'll introduce you to my motorcycle also, tell you everything about it as far as I know, because I'm still an amateur on this. I'm a novice. I had a bias motorcycle like 20 years ago for like 6 months, and I never rode a motorcycle ever again. So I'm completely new at this, despite I bought this motorcycle in May, I think. So I have ridden here and there. There's Chef Schuhen, I think. I can see the blue houses already. Yeah. But I know anything, I know nothing about off-road. I tried a couple of times, but it was a short experience, so I know nothing about it. I'll try as a novice. I'll try here, so maybe, but don't expect me to risk too much, because I have to know my limits, and I'm riding alone, so no one to rescue me if something goes wrong. Okay, I'll get back to you when I enter the city. See you soon. Hey, Chef Schuhen inside. Chef Schuhen is the stocks. Chef Schuhen is known also by the Blue City, and I bet there's a lot of YouTubers that try to explain this and the stories around the blue houses, but generally they say it's to repel the mosquitoes. That's one theory. Another theory is that it came from some Jewish culture that came here. So there's not, I think there's not an official reason for that, but they are still blue. Okay. Oh, sir, you have to be really careful here. It's like a free-for-all. So anyway, I'm not in the city center, but the first impression is, well, you see blues here and there, but it's not blue city. It's not that blue. What the hell? You see? Keys? I don't need keys. I have my own keys. Thank you. Stoppy. Oh. could say thank you. I know it's my obligation to stop, but she could be nice. I'm hearing music, I don't know if you can hear it. Okay. Doggy dog. Another one. Sorry. Okay, so I actually need to find a place to stay. And I have one idea where I want to stay. God damn it, these people. But what's this? Is this an auto? But I think I want to stop somewhere and take a look on my phone. No, thank you, I just want to stop somewhere. Maybe somewhere with food, because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Sir, get out of the way, sir. There's the main square there, I think. I think I saw people selling food there. But it's not here. Oh. Okay, opa. 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 Okay, let me see if I can go there. Someone crossing. I saw you. I saw you. Let's try to stop here. I don't know if I can stop here, but I'll stop here. Foodie. No, thank you.
Good.
Hello.
Do you want
Thank
parking?
No.
Then we have the reservation.
I have a place to stay. I just want to food.
Food, we have a restaurant here.
No, it's just they sell a little bit there or not. I just want one small thing. I don't want a full meal.
Like fast food.
Yes.
This is fast food. Here.
There?
Yeah. What? This is.
There.
Where is this job? Yes.
There. Okay.
First story. We have the pizza, tacos, panini, sandwich.
That's good.
But we have the go for sleep.
Yes.
And we have the reservation.
Yes.
What are your names? The place?
Nora. I think it's Nora.
Nora.
Yes, I think it's that.
No, have the seat.
Huh?
Direction.
I have on GPS.
Yeah, I can help you for find you.
No, it's good. It's good.
Okay,
Thank
my
you.
friend. You can start the motor here from the story.
Okay.
We have good food.
Okay.
We don't smoke, yeah?
No.
Don't smoke, yeah.
Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, I'll do some illegality. Good, thank you. Okay, here you can see everybody's selling weed here. And now I cannot turn around. Suck that. God damn it. I wanted some food, but I'll go there. Jesus. Go, sir. You go? You don't go? There's that. Okay, I can turn around. Maybe I can park there. I don't know if I can park there. Whoop, whoop. I guess everybody is trying to make a living here. Can I park here? Or front? Opa. Okay. That nice man told me I could park here. Oh my god, another problem with this bike is it's too low. The foot peg, rest peg is too long and I cannot. God damn it. I'll have to turn it. It's too long. And I cannot leave the bike like this. What can I do? What can I do? I have to take this off. Okay, I'll try to figure this out. And I'll come back. Okay. You'll find this amusing, but I cannot leave my bike. No, by that I mean I cannot dismount my bike there because thank you because the rest, as I said, is too long, and if I leave the bike she will fall over the other side in just the slightest inclination of the road. So I have to find a place that is inclined to the left, so she will rest on the foot peg nicely. So with that, I will try to find the place that I was planning to stay. No, thank you. God damn it. So many people trying to sell stuff. get there and maybe I can meet there. Let's see. Okay, it's right here on the right. Sorry for the wind. Sir, what are you doing? Yes, sir. This is more bluish. Yeah, for your garbage. Okay, I think it's right here on the left. It's on the left, if people leave the road. And now there's that car. Wow. Okay. Go on the right. Is that? Right here, Nora. Okay, let's try to park here. Nora. And I can tell you now, I'm coming here because of the YouTuber Norley. Yes, I follow her. She is a bit of an inspiration to me. So she stayed here, and I guess I'll stay too. If it's vacant. Oh, there's another way there. Okay, I'll check it out. Okay, so I have a room. I have arrived to this hotel. Noara. People are very nice, but I want you to check the room. Yeah, this is my room. This is the bathroom. Let's see if there's some view here or not. It's just another house. Sorry for the super view. I know it's weird, but so it was 250 dirhams with garage included. So yeah, I think it's good. It's good. Nothing to say about it. All good. And now I'll try to find some food because I'm still hungry and I haven't eaten. Okay, see you later.